Hello, my name is Warren Dick, and I'm a professor emeritus at Ohio State University. And you are standing in front of what's called false banana enset here at Waliso, Ethiopia. We've started this project back in 2010, I guess I would say is the beginning, but really took off in 2013. I had my career at the Ohio State University, but I always thought someday I'd go to Africa and start a school to teach agriculture, environmental sustainability, and it goes back to a time when I was in college when I came to Africa as a summer missions project. So here we are. After about 12 years, we now have 30 acres of land. We're putting up some buildings, and the most important building that we hope to dedicate this trip is an agricultural analytical lab. And people would say, why did you start with an analytical lab when you're thinking of us? Well, none of us were rich. I'm not Bill Gates, so we had to build step by step. And so we asked the people here in Ethiopia when we started this project, what would be your priorities for us? And they gave us two answers. One was, we would like you to develop a demonstration farm. Show us some more modern techniques, improve our productivity, do it in a more sustainable way. Secondly, they said, we would like an analytical chemistry lab. I thought, that's strange. Some of these farmers are not even able to read or write. But as we talked to them a little bit more, I came to understand why that was one of their priorities. And it came also from the officials. They said, we farm wine. We don't know what the pH of our soil. We buy a bag of fertilizer. We don't know if we're putting too much or if we even need it. So that's why the analytical laboratory has been started. And we're unpacking equipment at this time right now. And so pleased to have people come from different places. We have Shannon Alford from Clemson University helping us set up the laboratory.
We're missing a few key components, but we are making do with what we have here. So we purchased some actually traditional coffee cups that we're going to use as our beakers for our standard solution. So we do have those. We've gotten several reagents in to work with. We also don't have our DI water system up and running yet. So we do have bottled water we're going to use for rinsing. So we're definitely going to be able to do some soil pH measurements by the end of our work here, which is exciting. We're using duct tape and we're figuring out how to make things work here, which is great. And on the next trip, the group will bring back some more things that already did.
You are working hard to build this building, and then at the same time brought the items from the States. So that was a big challenge, but for me, I'm so excited. Just to see, we are still a long way to go. In the future, we'll make it big library, big laboratory, maybe biggest in this area. Between from Addis to Jimma, there's no very good now labs, but this can change and it can help the community, the governments, the business, everywhere. I'm very grateful and I thank all of the people who are make possible this time to us.
It's been great to have those partnerships, and I'm so happy to see the progress that we're making.